guys should be able to hear me. Should be able to see me. What's good? No one got to hear me. It's a laptop lifestyle. If you didn't know, now you know. I'm trying to do is grow. Welcome to my channel. If you're watching, please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any more value. If you're watching on Facebook, go ahead and like this video, share this video, comment what state you're coming in from. All right, so on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make money in seconds. All right, this is with binary options. This is one of my favorite ways to make money off of my phone. Just come on here, deposit your money, right? So if you need the link to my Smarty Trades affiliate link, right? You need the link, go ahead and comment the word trade below. If you're watching on YouTube, then you should have the link in the description. But yeah, all right, so once you create your Smarty Trades account, you want to deposit into your account, right? So you come here, add funds. Once you click add funds, then it's going to allow you to deposit either using your card or Bitcoin. All right, so once you deposit, your money will pop up right here in the top right corner. Now you're ready to go, right? So once you get there, now you need to join our community, right? To join our community, go to tradewithnoah.com so that you can trade with me Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 8 a.m. Eastern time, right? So once you do that, you register under my Smarty Trades account. I'll see you in the back office. I'll see your deposit. Once you do that, then you'll be entered into my VIP room, right? My VIP room is where we are going to trade together, okay? And I'm gonna teach you what indicators to put on your chart, right? How to read this, how to draw up on your chart, all that good stuff, right? Very simple process, okay? So once you have it all set up and your chart looks like this here, then what we'll do is we'll jump on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, take trades together, right? So I want to explain to you guys real quick how this is going to go. All right, so you see over here to the right, it's a 2-minute trade. Okay, so I'm going to just take an example trade for you guys. And we're actually going to make this a little bit shorter, right? 30-second trade. This is the amount that we are going to be trading, $1. So if we win this trade, we get 85% profit, right? So we'll get $1.86 back. Okay, so the way that this works, our entry point will be whether we press buy or sell, right? Up or down. So like, let's say if we think price is going to go, I don't know, just by reading off this, just without drawing up anything, probably headed up, right? So we'll get in for 30-second trade to the buy side, right? To the upside. So if it is past our entry point, right? Let me zoom in for you guys. If it's past it, meaning it's going up like we said it would, then we win this trade. If it starts to go down below that entry point, then we lose this trade. Okay, so right now we are actually winning this trade. 5 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we won that trade. So perfect example right there of how basically how this will go, right? How you can make money in seconds, right? That was 30 seconds to, I mean, the profit was only 86 cents, but when you have $100 account and you make 86 cents or you make $1 in 30 seconds, that's 1% that you just made in 30 seconds, right? On that $100. So imagine if you had $100,000 account. It's $1,000 you just made there in 30 seconds, making 1%, right? And I choose to normally go after 1 to 3%. That's a good day, right? 1 to 3%. That's all that you need to really compound your account, right? Some people, they go for 100% in a day. Some people go for 1,000. It's really just comes down to being disciplined, right? Self-discipline. Hold yourself to an amount that you're trying to aim for. Reach that every single day. Or at least try to reach that every single day, right? Every day is not going to be perfect. Some days we may lose 3%. Some days we may win 10% in a day. Okay, so we'll take one more trade together on here, right? So again, this is 30-second trade. We're only risking $1. Okay, that's less than 1%, and that's what I usually suggest, right? Only risk 1 to 2% of your account each trade. Right, that's the smart way to do it. Now you can risk more, right? It's up to you. If you want to risk more, then that's all on you. But you are risking blowing your account, right? Just keep that in mind. So now we're going to get in for 30-second sell. Okay, to the downside, it could keep going up. Like I said, if it's below our entry point, then we win the trade. If it's above, then we lose the trade, right? That's basically how binary options goes. So we got about 13 seconds to go in this trade. We're currently teetering our entry point. All right, just waiting for one little push down. 2, 1. All right, so we lost that trade. Right. So what we do, this is how my strategy goes, right? So if we lose a trade, it's all good. We're now at break even. This next setup, we will be getting in for 2 more trades. All right, so right now we are actually sitting in consolidation on this pair. So we're going to try to see if we have a different pairs to take a trade. Okay, so we got CAD, we got our CAD. All right, just by looking at this, I feel like it could be heading up, right? But we're just going to be sure. Check my indicator. All right, so it says it should be going down. Okay, so we're going to get in for a 30-second sell. Oh, I forgot to get in for one more position. Okay, so we are in for 2 sales right here. We got about 14 seconds to go on the first trade. All right, so we won that one. We got about 9 seconds to go on the second trade. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, so now we're back in profit, right? So that's basically how my strategy goes. When we lose one trade, we'll get in for 2 more trades, or at least one more than the next one, right? So if we were to lose that setup, right? So we would have been down 3 trades. So the next setup, I get in for 4 trades, right? And so on and so on. But when we do that, right, it could stack up to about 6 to 7 losses at a time, right? To where we got to take 7 trades on the next setup or 8 trades. So this is the importance of risking 1 to 2% of your account, right? That's why I stress that. So yeah, that's basically how a trading session will go. Like I said, I try to reach 1 to 3% on my account. Okay. So 3% would be another two setups, right? But we're not going to do that right now. This is just an example, right? Just an example for you guys, just to show you how it will go, right? But that's really how simple it is to make money in seconds. You come here, use this platform, you deposit your money on there, take a trade after you make your analysis, right? So this is the strategy. I make my analysis. I use these indicators to let me know which direction could be going, and I also have another tool called the SBA system. Okay, so the SBA system, I'll show you guys. Right, so the SBA system, this is really like my secret weapon. Not too many people know about it. I usually show people every single day, right? But people still really don't know about it. But it's all good, right? Because it just feels good. It feels good to have something that other people don't, and you're kind of the only one knows about it, right? So this is like a diamond in the rough. Like a lot of people just aren't aware of this yet, right? But they will be here soon. Okay, but the SBA system, this basically lets me know which way I should be expecting the market to go, right? So it gives me a red arrow when I should be looking for some sell momentum, or it gives me a green arrow like this here, right? Green arrow you see here, when there's going to be some bullish momentum. And all you do is ride it from arrow to arrow, right? And it also gives you your entry point, your stop loss, your take profit 1, 2, and 3. And then you can choose, right? Whether you want to take profit on the first one, which is usually 80 to 90% accuracy on the take profit 1, probably about 60 to 70% accuracy on let's take profit 2, and 50 to 60 on take profit 3. Right? But you can choose to take profit whenever you choose. I usually just go from sell entry to take profit 1 to give myself just the best probability of winning trades. So yeah, that's like the secret weapon. Mix that with my strategy on here, and it's really golden, right? I've grown this account from $50. It's now at $558, so well into profit. I'll probably make a withdrawal, probably like around $1,000 or so. And yeah, but this is how you make money in seconds and put your money to work for you. Yes, it is risky because you can lose trades, right? And if you over leverage, you can risk blowing your whole account. So you got to be careful using things like this, right? This is a very high risk type of income source. But if you learn the skill, right? You learn the skill, you take time to be consistent, be self-disciplined, get yourself a strategy, right? Just like you see my strategy. I use the indicators plus my own analysis plus the SBA system for more confirmation, and it makes me profitable. All right, so you got to get your strategy down. You got to get self-disciplined to a certain process that you take to keep yourself profitable when it comes to trading. Okay, trading is very risky, but it also can be very, very high reward. Right? And it's a very simple way to just put your money to work for you. Right? The thing I like about trading too is you don't have to refer people to make money. Right? We don't have to refer people to make money, and I like that. Right? Because then it puts you in the driver's seat. I'm not sitting around trying to chase people, trying to get them to join me. Right? With Forex, you can just let people come to you. All you got to do is keep providing value, keep showing your consistent results, showing the lifestyle, how it's changing you, your mental, right? And people will be attracted to you. Right? So that's a real reason why I like trading, and it also gives me time freedom. I can come on here, spend about 10 minutes to 30 minutes on the charts, make my profit. Right? I can make $100 to $200 profit, and then I'm good for the day. All right, so y'all, that's where it's at. And I also have a class that I teach Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 8 a.m. Eastern time. If you want to get in on that, go to tradewithnoah.com. Join the Millionaire Mob family. Okay. And yeah, y'all see you on the inside. All right. So if you got value from this, type the word value below. Share this, like and subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. Know what got to hear, Mr. Laptop Lifestyle. If you didn't know, now you know. All I'm trying to do is grow. Like I always say, make the rest of it the best of it. I'll meet you at the top because that bottom is way too crowded. Let's go.